and then go play our Nintendo 64s.
I hope they have Betamax. I need a Betamax tape. I'm headed out on a road trip to Bend to drop Schnitzel off at Parnell Autowerks. She needs some work, and I trust Dave, and I'm having him pull the transmission, and Syncro shop in Salem is going to do my transmission, and Dave's going to do my motor. So I'm going over to my buddy Dwayne's house to pick him up because we're going to caravan so that I have a ride home. And just in case we have sort of any mechanical issue, hence the reason the van's going for major surgery. Dwayne is a unique character. He sent me this text message last night at like 3 a.m. He's super juiced for this road trip. So after we drop the van off, I'm absolutely 100% sure we're gonna engage in some tomfoolery. In addition to his gear, I've got my off-road kit, a couple snatch blocks, a winch rope extender, soft shackles, regular shackles, gloves, jacket, shovel, the whole works. I feel that we're gonna get stuck in some mud hole somewhere between here and Bend. We'll see.
One of these is Dwayne's Warboy rig, and the other is his daily driver. I'll let you decide which is which.
Are you ready for our adventure?
No, I forgot my hat.
All right, we are here. Dwayne Surly. All right, well, this is going to be her new home for a couple of months. She's safe in there. Man, I love Dave's van, the Eagle van, the Adventure Wagon. Here with Parnell, and yeah, it hurts a little to leave her, but she's in good hands. All right, so Dwayne and I are on an adventure. Look at this. What is that? That is the last Blockbuster in the whole wide world here in Bend, Oregon.
Then go play our Nintendo 64s.
I hope they have Betamax. I need a Betamax tape.
I'm buying a coffee mug.
And Dwayne got his coffee mug. I got a bunch of other crap, like 2 coffee mugs and some sweatshirts. Join me for the next installment of the van build video. We're not going to go back to Blockbuster, but we'll have other adventures. We're going to pull her in and tear her down and get the transmission out and pull the engine and see what's been lurking under those rear panels for all these years. What scariness abounds.